Hello, my loves. I just want to do like a quick video with all the questions that you guys asked me about crochet hair. And first of all, I'm actually very new to crochet hair. Like, I've not been doing it that long. You can literally scroll down to the first time I did crochet hair. And everything I learned, I just share. So we're in this together. But what I have learned since wearing crochet, so this is human hair, and I've worn synthetic hair. Synthetic hair, I know you have to do the maintenance with it like every single night. So I've got a couple of videos on it where I spray it with water, separate the strands, twist it, snip any like loose hairs, um, put it in a bonnet, and go to bed. And in the morning, I would spray it, finger brush it, and yeah, that's how I do. But with synthetic hair, you have to like do it every day. Like, because if you don't do it every day, that hair is lasting you like 10 days. That is not lasting. Maybe 2 weeks. But like, you have to do it every day, otherwise, you're gonna have one big mess. But what I have learned is synthetic hair though, and I don't know, tell me if you agree. But I feel like synthetic hair matches our like black hair more. Like, even as it gets older, it looks more natural. But like our hair natural, like, our hair isn't like this all the time. Like, it's got some bit of roughness to it. So like, I feel like synthetic hair matches our hair better. So when we're doing like the brushing, I feel like synthetic hair blends better. That is one thing I'll say over human hair. Like, synthetic hair blends with our hair better. But human hair does, of course, last longer, and you don't have to do the maintenance every single night. Like with human hair, I just wrap it up. No, I spray water on it, brush it, put it into like two pigtails, keep brush it again, and then wrap it and put it into like two little buns. In my last video, I literally just posted a video. So how I had it in the start of that video is how I wear it every night. So so maintenance. Synthetic hair is way more maintenance. Human hair less maintenance. But synthetic hair looks more real. Human hair still looks okay, but synthetic hair blends more, I think. Can the hair get wet? Yes. Synthetic hair can get wet. I spray it every day with water. Can you go swimming with it? You can, but I'd advise put it into like twists. Just so like when you come out of the pool or whatever you're swimming in, you're not left with like a big mess. Like, it should be a lot easier to deal with, especially if you're on like a vacation. Child, you better put your hair in a twist if you're on a vacation. Human hair. I haven't started with any of the hairs, but I'm sure I have washed this hair. I've washed this hair in the shower, as I do like if it was a sewing or anything like that. It's just human hair bundles, isn't it? So you can wash the hair, you can swim with it. The good thing about it is that you don't. There's no leave out with this install. So when I go swimming with it, I don't have to worry about like my lace, because there's no lace. I don't have to worry about my lace or my leave out doing the matting. Yeah, so swimming's cool with it too. How long does the hair last? So the synthetic hair, I had that in for 3 weeks. I could have maybe gone an extra week with it. So I would say with everyday maintenance, synthetic hair lasts about a month. Human hair, um, I've had this for a while now. I don't know how long I've had it because I made it into a wig first, and then I took it off the wig cap and I reinstalled it. When did I get this hair? Hold on. So I got this hair in December, and I think I put it in late December as a wig. So like nearly a month I've had this hair now, and I've washed it a couple times because I've dyed it, and I still think it's holding pretty well. It's still soft. Yeah, I think this will last me a while, at least till March. Yeah, at least till March. So synthetic hair lasts a month. Crochet hair, human hair, I mean, a couple, 2 to 3 months, maybe more, depending on how you look after it. It is dependent on how you look after it, because I do like deep condition the hair. I shampoo the hair. I do put some stuff on the hair as well. So it is dependent on how you look after it. Is it reusable? Synthetic hair? No, no way, no way, no way. Don't worry, no way. You take that out, you're gonna get knots in the middle. No way, no way. It's not reusable. Human hair, yes, because I have reused it. I've had it into a wig and I put it into my hair. And if you take this out by just undoing your braids, then you won't get any knots in your hair. So you can definitely reuse human hair. Synthetic hair though, no. But it's cheap enough to just buy again. So yeah. I can't think of any more questions, but if you have some, just comment, let me know. I'll definitely answer them. But I do want to add like my own type of take. So far, I prefer crochet over a lace wig because I don't have to worry about the lace. I prefer crochet hair over a sew-in because I ain't gotta worry about any tracks. I can run my hands through all the way, like scratch my head, get to my cornrows, everything. There's no tracks. There's no tracks. All the hair is separated, so I don't have to worry about that. So with crocheting saws, I feel like I can look after my hair, like my real hair, as I look after the crochet hair. For of course, a lot of you don't really know me, but like I know you guys see my hair, it's like short in it, but like this is the real me. Like for the people that know me, you know this is the real me. Just that a few years ago, I dyed my hair blonde. The curls went a bit whoop whoop. Then I just cut it off, and I've just been growing it since then. But I will say I haven't been looking after my hair like I used to way before I had my hair blonde. Like back then when my hair was like this, I was looking after it every single night. But I'm trying to incorporate that. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing videos on how like I look after my real hair because like, I'm used to my hair being long. Okay, this shortness isn't a regular Lola. Like it's not. It's not me. I have hair. Okay. So I'm gonna be like showing you how I look after my hair under the crochet hair. I just want to put this picture up again because this is all me. This is no crochet, no wig, no sewing, no nothing. It's my hair from root to end. It's my hair from root to end, my friend. It's mine. So yeah, if you got to the end of this video, thank you, thank you. If you have more questions, just ask them. I will answer them. Um, yeah, man. See you later.